Okay, I think I see something up ahead. Those claw marks. Those weren't there before. This is not good. I think something's been following me. I'm not first one out here. This used to be part of the old outpost.
These Bigfoot Yeti AI vlogs are going absolutely viral right now. While exploring the internet, I stumbled upon a TikTok account that completely blew my mind. It has over 450k followers, 4.8 million likes, and the most viral video has a staggering 9.3 million views. And here's the craziest part, this account was created just 3 months ago. But wait, it gets even better. Not only are these Yeti vlogs going viral, but there's also an entire wave of Yeti AI podcasts that are exploding online. And guess what? I went ahead and created one myself. Take a look at this.
So tell me, Yeti, what's the biggest myth people believe about your life in the mountains?
Most folks think we're just wild beasts hiding in the snow. Truth is, I read poetry, brew coffee, and even teach mindfulness in the Himalayas.
Wait, mindfulness classes in the Himalayas? Are your students fellow Yetis, or are we talking about tourists on retreats?
Both, actually. Other Yetis join for inner peace. Tourists show up for Instagram stories but end up staying for the silence.
Isn't that just insane? I was genuinely stunned the first time I saw it. But hold on, the viral idea list doesn't end there. I also created a monkey AI vlog, and that too is catching fire online. You've got to see this one.
Bro, they just gave me a free jalebi because they thought I'm lucky. Sweet deals, literally. This chai is so strong, I think my tail just did a cartwheel.
And if you think that's all, nope. I've got one more for you. A viral AI street interview featuring the Yeti. Yes, you heard that right, the Yeti being interviewed on the streets. It's unreal. The best part? This entire niche is still unsaturated. That means there's a golden opportunity for you to jump in early. Before the internet gets flooded with these, take action. Start a YouTube Shorts channel, launch an Instagram page, or create a TikTok account, and you could be earning thousands of dollars per month. And if you're wondering how to create these kinds of viral videos, don't worry. Stay tuned till the end because I'll walk you through everything step by step. I'll be showing you 4 powerful ideas and a complete tutorial on how to create a Yeti AI vlog, how to make a Yeti AI podcast, how to produce a monkey AI vlog, and how to build a Yeti AI street interview video. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support truly means the world to me. Alright, let's dive straight into idea number 1. If you want to create a Bigfoot monkey AI vlog, then here's the best part, you don't even have to worry about writing your own prompt. I've already created a magical prompt template just for you. Here's how it works. First, decide how many prompts you want to generate, that goes right here in the template. Next, customize the location where you want the monkey to film the AI vlog. Then, enter the dialogue that the monkey will say in the video. To use this prompt template, just select and copy the entire thing. Then head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and make a few quick edits. For example, in the location field, I'm entering Chandni Chowk Market, New Delhi. Now, for the monkey's dialogue, if you have something in mind, type it in. But if you don't, no worries. You can leave it blank. ChatGPT will automatically generate a fitting dialogue for you using the placeholder. Once you've done that, hit the send button and let ChatGPT work its magic. Boom! In just a few seconds, ChatGPT has generated 3 perfect text-to-video prompts for VO3. Let's copy one of these prompts and head over to Google Flow to generate the video using Google VO3. Now, if you don't already have access to Google VO3, make sure to watch this video where I explain how to get Google VO3 absolutely free for 15 months using the student offer. You don't want to miss that. Once you're inside Google VO3, here's what to do. First, click on the settings icon. Under Number of Prompts, select 1, this will help you save AI credits. Then, from the model options, select VO3 Fast Model with Beta Audio. Why this one? Because it uses 80% less credits than the high-quality model. VO3 quality model cost 100 credits per video. VO3 fast model cost only 20 credits per video. After choosing the fast model, paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Now hit the generate button and wait a few seconds. And there it is. Our first AI monkey vlog video is ready. Let's preview it.
Bro, they just gave me a free jalebi because they thought I'm lucky. Sweet deals, literally.
The quality is stunning, and the result is super engaging. But why are these types of videos going viral? Here are two main reasons. Reason number 1, breaking the mind pattern. Yep, this kind of content disrupts the viewer's expectation. We're used to seeing humans vlog. But when you see a monkey or a Yeti doing a vlog, it instantly grabs attention. It creates curiosity. And that curiosity drives massive views. Reason number 2, it feels real, thanks to inbuilt audio. The videos look surprisingly realistic, and the AI-generated voice makes it even more convincing. It doesn't feel like an AI video, and that's exactly what makes it so watchable. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT, copy another prompt, head to Google Flow, paste it in, and hit generate again. After a short wait, boom, here's our second AI monkey vlog. Let's preview it.
This chai is so strong, I think my tail just did a cartwheel.
Okay, this one has some auto-generated gibberish subtitle text, which we don't want. So here's the trick to remove it. When you paste the prompt into Google Flow, add this line at the end. Do not add the subtitle text in the generated video. Then hit the send button again. After a few seconds, done. Our updated video is ready. Let's preview this one too.
This chai is so strong, I think my tail just did a cartwheel.
And now you can see, no more unwanted subtitle text. If you're amazed by how powerful and fun these AI videos are, just wait, the next idea will blow your mind even more. Now, if you want to create a Bigfoot Yeti AI vlog, then once again, you don't need to worry about crafting your own prompt. I've already created a magical Yeti vlog prompt template for you. Inside this template, you'll see a few yellow highlighted placeholders. You can fill these in to get a more customized result, but even if you don't, ChatGPT will smartly handle them on its own. However, I strongly recommend that you enter your own scene idea, which is highlighted in green. That's where the magic really happens. So here's what to do. Copy the entire prompt template. Head over to ChatGPT and paste the copied template. Scroll down to the green section and enter your scene idea. For example, I'm typing. Yeti is making a survival vlog in a snow forest, where he is all alone. Once you're done, hit the send button. And just wait a few seconds, boom. ChatGPT generates the perfect text-to-video prompt for our Yeti vlog. Now, copy the prompt, head back to Google Flow, and paste it into the input box. Hit send and watch the magic unfold. Our video is now queued, and after just a few seconds, bingo. Our very first Bigfoot Yeti AI vlog is ready. Want to see it? Let's preview the result together.
Okay, I think I see something up ahead. Those claw marks. Those weren't there before. This is not good.
I must say, if you're even half as excited as I am about this, then please smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. I genuinely pour my heart into creating these tutorials to make your AI journey smooth and exciting. Now, that's just one video. But what if you want to turn this into a series? Here's how. Go back to ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. Provide me with 5 more prompts to continue this Yeti vlog story. Or anything similar. Hit send, and in a few seconds, ChatGPT continues the storyline like a pro. You can see we've now got 5 more prompts, continuing from scene 2 to scene 6, perfectly structured to keep the story going. Now, let's copy the second prompt, go back to Google Flow, paste it, and hit the generate button. Wait a few seconds, and boom again. Our second Yeti vlog video is ready. Let's preview this one too.
I think something's been following me.
In the same way, I used the third and fourth prompts, and here are the videos generated from them. Let's now preview the complete Yeti vlog series together.
Okay, I think I see something up ahead. Those claw marks. Those weren't there before. This is not good. I think something's been following me. I'm not first one here. This used to be part of the old outpost.
Now, you're probably wondering, how did I add those stunning and consistent AI captions to the videos? Well, don't worry. Just stick around till the end, because I'll show you exactly how to do that quickly and effortlessly. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. Alright, now that we've seen two incredible ideas, let's move on to idea number 3, and this one is just as exciting. Now, if you want to generate a hyper-realistic Yeti AI podcast, I've got something special for you. A magical prompt template that makes the process effortless. In this template, you'll see two separate prompts. Prompt 1, where the host gorilla or Yeti is asking a question to the guest Yeti. Prompt 2, where the guest Yeti is responding to that question. If you want the host gorilla to ask a specific question, just enter it in the placeholder highlighted in yellow. Similarly, if you want to write your own reply for the guest Yeti, you can enter that dialogue in the other yellow highlighted placeholder. But here's the cool part. If you don't have anything specific in mind for either, no worries. Just leave them blank, and ChatGPT will generate everything for you automatically. Here's what to do. Copy the complete prompt template. Open ChatGPT and paste it in. If you have any ideas, fill in the placeholders. If not, just hit send. And there it is, ChatGPT provides two beautifully structured prompts. Here's the first one, where the host gorilla is asking a thought-provoking question. And here's the second, where the guest Yeti responds in style. Now, let's take the first prompt, copy it, and head over to Google Flow. Paste it into the prompt box and hit the send button. After a few seconds, bingo! The first Yeti podcast clip is ready. Let's preview it together.
So tell me, Yeti, what's the biggest myth people believe about your life in the mountains?
It's super engaging. If you're as blown away as I am, then please spam the comment box with this line. This Yeti AI podcast is insane. Let's see how many of you are loving this. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, and paste it into Google Flow. Hit send, wait for a few seconds, and yes, our second video clip is ready. Let's preview this one too.
Most folks think we're just wild beasts hiding in the snow. Truth is, I read poetry, brew coffee, and even teach mindfulness in the Himalayas.
And wow, the flow between both clips feels so natural. But what if you want to continue this podcast series? Here's how. You'll need to use a special continuation prompt I've created just for this. It's designed to maintain character consistency, which is super important. Why? Because VO3 doesn't have memory, it treats each prompt independently. So, in this continuation prompt, I've added a line to always include character and outfit details in every scene to keep the visuals consistent. Now just copy this continuation prompt, head over to ChatGPT, and paste it in. I've already done that, and ChatGPT has returned a full continuation of our Yeti podcast. Each prompt perfectly lined up to flow from the previous one. Now simply copy these prompts one by one, paste them into Google Flow, and hit generate. And just like that, all the remaining clips for our Bigfoot Yeti AI podcast are generated. Want to watch the full podcast from start to finish? Let's preview it together.
So tell me, Yeti, what's the biggest myth people believe about your life in the mountains?
Most folks think we're just wild beasts hiding in the snow. Truth is, I read poetry, brew coffee, and even teach mindfulness in the Himalayas.
Wait, mindfulness classes in the Himalayas? Are your students fellow Yetis, or are we talking about tourists on retreats? Bit of both, actually. Other Yetis join for inner peace. Tourists show up for Instagram stories but end up staying for the silence.
It's smooth, immersive, and feels almost like a real creature podcast from the Himalayas. So, tell me in the comments. Isn't this just amazing? Would you ever imagine a Yeti doing a podcast this well? Now it's time to move to our fourth and final idea. And trust me, you've never seen anything like this before. Let's go. The fourth and final Bigfoot viral video idea is creating a Yeti Street interview video. Now, this may sound complicated, but trust me, it's surprisingly simple. Because I've already crafted a magical prompt template just for this. In this template, you'll find two placeholders highlighted in yellow. In the first placeholder, enter your channel name or company name. This will appear on the interview mic in the video, giving it your brand identity. Yes, your very own mic branding in an AI-generated video. In the second placeholder, you can add any question you want the interviewer to ask the Yeti. And don't worry, if you're unsure what to ask, you can leave it blank, and ChatGPT will handle it perfectly. So, let's walk through the steps to generate the perfect text-to-video prompt. First, select and copy the entire prompt template. Open ChatGPT, paste the copied prompt, and fill in your channel or company name. If you have a question in mind, enter it in the second placeholder. If not, just leave it blank. And finally, hit the send button and let ChatGPT do its magic. Just like that, we get 3 perfect prompts ready to go. Let's copy the first prompt, head over to Google Flow, paste it in, and hit send. After a few seconds, boom. Our first Yeti AI interview video is ready. Let's preview it.
What's the one thing you never leave home without?
My shades. Gotta keep the mystery alive.
And wow, the quality is insane. Next, I repeated the same for the second prompt. Pasted it into Google Flow, hit send, waited a few seconds, and bingo. Our second Yeti interview is also ready. Let's preview this one too.
How do you stay cool in this summer heat?
Fur conditioning, baby. It's a built-in feature.
Just look at the expressions, the mic branding, and the natural dialogue flow. By the way, I've shared the complete prompt guide on my WhatsApp channel. You'll find the link in the video description and pinned comment. Don't forget to check it out. And if you want to go deeper and learn how to create viral AI street interview videos with different guests like the ones you're watching right now on screen, then you must watch my dedicated tutorial on AI street interviews. In that video, I also show how to add viral and consistent captions to your interviews. The kind that make people stop scrolling and watch till the end. That's it for this tutorial. If you genuinely learned something new today, then please support me by hitting that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Your support is what keeps me going and helps me create even better tutorials just for you. This is just the beginning. See you soon in the next powerful video.